going on, gang? Matt from Matt's Red Show here for you. Thanks for clicking that button. Today we have traveled to Mankato, Minnesota again to Unique Classic Cars, one of the largest classic car dealerships in America, I think. They sell so many classic cars. There's classic cars in there moving all the time. So I got here this morning. I filmed all morning long, and you're going to see some great cars in this episode. They got some good cars for sale in there. And yeah, had a good time in there. Got stopped by the guys. They brought me up to their podcast here at Unique Classic Cars. They got a lot of media following here as well. So they saw me, they recognized me, they said, "Hey Matt, come check out our new podcast we got going on." So we got to see that in there for a little bit too. So there's all sorts of fun classic car stuff going on in this place all the time. I love this place. It's so fun to come to. You just feel the car culture just moving around you as you're here. It's just great. It's a good time. So it's just a great time to come and just disappear into some classic cars, if you will. So without further ado, gang, let's get in there and let's see these cars. Thanks for clicking that button. Let's do this. Alrighty, gang, here we go. Unique Classic Cars. Love this place. Checked with the gang, made sure it's okay. I do some filming here today. Said it was. So here we go. Look at this. Right off the bat, right in the front door here. It's a nice hot rod. That's awesome. 34 Ford Coupe, of course. Looks like they're asking 46.9 for it. Awesome. Not a bad car to put right in the front door. Then I turn around and there's a 56 Ford right here too. One of my favorites. Asking 54.9 for it. Shifting the cars around here. Yeah, buddy, there's some nice cars here. Let's start with the muscle cars today, shall we? Got a 67 GTO right here. Sounds like somebody set a car alarm off over there. Here we go. Gang saw me downstairs, invited me up to take a look at their podcast.
Yes.
New podcast studio. Look at this.
So we
awesome.
basically, Unique Classic Cars, we have a new podcast. It's called Motorhood.
Motorhood.
And what we're doing is we're talking all cars, we're talking sales, we're talking just life, even car movies, anything to do with cars.
Yeah.
We're talking on the pod. And our pseudo studio, as you can see here, we got something going on. We got lights, we got cameras. It's the whole gist.
You guys are the real deal here.
What we're trying to do is we're starting on a new channel. So for the viewers, if you're watching, you can follow us at youtube.com @Motorhood. Easy peasy. Or, I mean, we'll be promoting on all our socials, so you'll be able to find it, no problem.
Right on. Cool.
And
Motorhood, you said.
Yeah, that's Jeremy, that's George.
Yeah, I recognize these guys. How you doing, guys? Yeah,
absolutely. But
very cool.
I just saw you downstairs, so I figured I'd ask you.
Yeah, check them out, gang. Awesome.
I like that.
All right, that was cool. You guys just saw me down here doing my YouTube stuff recognized me, wanted to invite me up to show me what they're up to up there. So a little sidetrack there. We'll get back to some cars here now. 65 Oldsmobile Cutlass Convertible, 64.9, 442. And I wonder how many cars they move here in a month. Oh, look at that Charger over there. Sorry, I'm filming cars. I'm getting distracted. I'm sorry. I'm gonna take a look at that Charger next. We're gonna be right back to film the rest of these beauties. Got a bunch of muscle cars going down this whole row here. I'm gonna cruise over here to this Dodge Charger though. See what we got here. It's like a 1970 for, I think the price is $84.9. I'll double check that. Look at this. This is so nice. The vinyl here too, look at that. Got the texture of the vinyl top there. My gosh, it's nice. Let's cruise right next to it here and get this Camaro. It's a 69 Camaro for $69.9. 69 for $69.9. Why do I suddenly feel hungry for some ice cream? Cruising back over to here, get this 72 Chevelle here. Looks like they're asking $49.9. Wow, this thing is really good looking inside and out. Crazy nice car. All right, from a 72 Chevelle to a 69 Biscayne for $69.9. '67 Chevelle. I think it's going for $59.9. Look at this car, holy cow. Chevy Chevelle Malibu. Moving some cars.
That's okay. And straight. And now start turning. Start turning. Turn, turn, turn. Oh, I got it. Yep, I'm gonna check.
Got a heavy Chevy here. This one's sold, it looks like. You can see why. And this one here is sold as well. Another nice looking Chevy here. Both sold. This one here is sold too. My gosh, they move a lot of cars here. Like this 68 Camaro here is still for sale. $49,900. Yeah, that's a nice Camaro there, Rally Sport 327. It's a 74 Pontiac Trans Am. Asking $44,900 for it. That's real nice. Next up, 71 Nova. Asking $39,900 for it. There's another Nova here, Chevy Nova. Restomods, it says. This one in 1970. Going for $52,900. '67 Plymouth here. It looks like it's sold.
Yep.
Beautiful car.
Nothing. Yeah.
Look at that. See why they sold that one. There's a 79 Camaro here. I don't see any info on it. Not sure what's going on with this girl. Cars all over this place. Oh, it's coming around this way. couple of Mustangs here too. Looks like this 75 Mustang, I think it's a Mustang too, has sold. I'm not sure what's going on with this Mustang here. Nice red convertible. 65 Ford Mustang convertible. I don't have any information on this one. Check their website out. Wondering if these ones aren't new arrivals and they're just working on getting them up. Here's a gorgeous 1970 Chevy Chevelle Super Sport. Don't see any info written on this one either though. Yeah, she's a beauty. What a beauty. This one's sold here too. Moving cars around. And look at this 63 Corvette here. This is incredible. It's sold, but I'm still gonna film it because it's amazing. Never seen that before in a hood. Just to get more air in there, I suppose. Of course. Yeah, interesting. I've never seen it done like that before. Looks like it's well traveled, well loved, well used. I bet it's a fun car. I kind of like that about some of these cars like this. They got a little, you know, a little wear and tear in them. You can tell they get used. Sometimes that just makes them funner vehicles because you don't have to worry about, you know, denting them all the time or anything like that. You just drive them. Alright, move over to some more of the classics here. Here's a 55, going for $32,900. Black 55 two-door. No, it's four-door, sorry. My bad. $32,900. Whoa, look at this car. 57 unrestored vehicle, $89,900. It says 14,000 miles on it. Oh my gosh, this is a time machine. Look at this car. Look at this interior. Oh my gosh. Wow. Feel like you're stepping back in time looking at a car like this. Man. Look where I'm standing. What an amazing place this is. Just surrounded by beauty. interesting shot with 55 on the right, 57 on the left, the fins. I find it interesting anyway. Everybody else does. Daytona International Speedway, 1960 something. That's cool. That's pretty incredible right there. That was really cool to see. Stepping back in time. Here's a nice 56 here. Not sure what the details are on this one. I don't see any. I wish I knew more about this one too, but it looks really original in here too. This is pretty cool. 56 Ford Victoria, but not just a Ford Victoria, Ford Meteor. I've never seen one of these before. I've seen a lot of Ford Victorias, but you might have to forgive me for my pronunciation. Ford Meteor Redoubt Crown Victoria. Not sure if I'm pronouncing Redoubt right. But yeah, look at that. It says Meteor on the front. That's awesome. Yeah, look at that front grille. Look at all that fun stuff up here. That's incredible. I love this car. Man, let's see. It's got all the names for it. Crown Victoria. It's even got the Continental kit on the back. Somebody who likes bells and whistles. Wish I could get this better for you. There we go. Look at that. This is really cool. This is really cool. Wow. It's a 1950 Oldsmobile 88 convertible. It's a 57 Ford Thunderbird. Asking $29,900. Look at all these cars in here. Crazy. Gotta love the old opera window. You need something to sing your opera out of, I suppose. I don't know. I wonder why do they call that an opera window? I don't know. The story is behind that. If anybody knows, I'd be interested. I suppose I could try to look it up on Google, but it's funner to ask you guys. Here's a 56 Cadillac Eldorado Seville 78.9. Look at that. Very cool. Try to take a look at the fins here for you a little bit. It's kind of hard to see them. This thing is in pretty good shape. This will work right there. Look at that. Beautiful Cadillac. Look at that. Just like so much chrome. Here's a 73 Dodge Charger. This one's only going for $24,900. Looks like we got a 59 four-door Chevy Impala here with a lot of patina on her, with looks like maybe a clear coat put on her too at one point, just to just to keep the patina on her. I could be wrong about that, I don't know, but yeah, I don't have any info on this one either. Impala. My battery just ran out of me. I changed my battery and I look up and I see this guy staring at me over here. Like, just staring at me. I was like, what if he recognizes me or something? What's going on? And then I realized it's like not a real human being. It's old Dale Earnhardt, rest in peace. Thought I was seeing a ghost here, Dale. Rest in peace. Looks like somebody tipped him. Couple of sold vehicles here. Looks like a nice like a 40 Cadillac Fleetwood here. Incredible. Next to a Lincoln, it appears. 47 Lincoln. Both sold, and both you can tell why. Incredible. Beauty. Okay, I got the Aurora V8 here. official pace car, Indianapolis 500. That's where they got old Dale over here. Here we go. And this one is sold. Man, they sell a lot of cars. There's a little 1960 Volkswagen Beetle convertible for $47,900. Looks like a cute little Austin Healey next to it here. My brother used to work at an Austin Healey shop near Denver, Colorado when he was growing up. My brother's 5 years older than me, so I used to visit him at that shop. I think it was like Rocky Mountain Austin Healey's at the time in the 90s. And my brother actually got, I don't know the year, I'll have to ask him what the year of his, he bought an Austin Healey Sprite. I think it was newer than this. It was I think it was a 60s model though, late 60s maybe. Yeah, I think I was in like 4th or 5th grade at the time. And in our neighborhood, in a very safe location, far away from cars and everything else, he let me drive it. It was amazing. I didn't get to go fast or nothing, but it was good times. It was a cool car. Let's take a look down this row here. Got some nice older models here. Always appreciate a vehicle with some wood on it. I can't get through there. Well, here's what we'll show you. Look at the ribbing at the top there. Yeah, that's cool. Let's see what we got here. A little too close to get on the side of these ones as well. There's a 29 Chevy. It's going for $24,900. $24,900, I should say. Next to a 24 Ford Model T. Only asking $14,900. This one next to it's sold, but it's pretty cool. It's a 27 Willys Knight. Pretty cool. Don't see those. Look at that. I love capturing little details like that from these cars. It's almost like somebody from the past just winking at you. You know, it's cool. I love it. Look at this Chevy here, 32 Chevy. Is that 32, huh? Look at that, huh? I don't see too many 32 Chevys out there, honestly. I see a lot of 32 Fords, of course. You don't see as many of the 32 Chevys. I don't know why that is. Seems like there should be a lot, but I don't see as many. 21.9. Here's a nice Ford. Looks to be like a 56. I'm not sure. I don't have any info on this girl here, but she's a beauty. It's a 55 Ford Crown Victoria. I'm wondering if this car just isn't in line to head into the detailer shop or something like that before they put it out. Get them all spruced up before they put them out, maybe. That would be my guess on this girl here, but she's pretty nice. So she might be coming down the line here. Well, this is interesting. A Cadillac tucked in the back here. 54 Cadillac for $17,900. Cadillac Fleetwood sedan. It's real cheap for a Cadillac. I wonder if she needs some work under the hood or something. I mean, yeah, looks like she needs a little love on the interior. Paint needs some love too. A lot of patina showing on her. So she needs some love and care. But shoot, for that price, I think somebody's out there can give this girl the proper love and care she needs. Here's a 38 Ford Deluxe Convertible Street Rod for $42,900. They got a 37 next to it here. Yeah, this thing is really nice. A lot of newer creature comforts in it here. Look at that. It's a 37 Ford. Another street rod here, looks like $54,900. It's got some flames on the hood here. Look at that. That's so nice. Yeah, I like the flames. I like the subtle flames sometimes. Let's take a look at the card. The color on this is nice too. The maroon or burgundy, I'm not sure. With like the tan canvas top here. I like it. Chopped. This is cool. This is cool. I'm digging this thing. That is a cool. That's a cool street rod, man. I'm liking you. I feel like I already got this shot. I'll get it again. Take a look at some of the trucks they got for sale here. I'll probably stick with the classics, of course. A 72 Chevy. Probably not gonna be able to read that. That's about as close as I can get to that thing though. $44,900. They pack them in so tight here, it makes it kind of hard to check them out. I'm sure there's a lot more info online though. Here's 1970 Chevy K10, $49,900. Yeah, it's in good condition. Look at that. It's nice. There's a 72 Chevy, $35,900. like the color on this one. Yeah, this old Chevy here, they don't have any info on her. Yeah, I'm not sure. It's a Chevy 3600 from Waseca, Minnesota. No info on this old Chevy here either, but this 51 Ford here is going for $49,900. Yeah, something's going on here. Fuel cell in the back, got it beefed up back here. Here's a 57 Cadillac Yaris going for $149,900. Look at that car. That's an incredible car right there. Incredible. Here's a really nice DeSoto too. Another convertible. This is a 56 DeSoto Fire Dome convertible. Look at that. They always seem to put two of their nicest vehicles right here in the front where they can keep a good eye on them. Those are really nice models there. Whew. I guess that means it's time for me to go. I do believe these cars here are for sale as well. You could probably find info online. Looks like an old Ford there, huh? An early 50s Ford. Yeah, nice Oldsmobile here. These cars, I mean, obviously they're leaving them outside in the winter, so obviously they might need a little bit of work. I wouldn't call them beaters by any mean, but they're not worried about them. They're just out here. But I do think a lot of these are for sale. Maybe some of them were trade-in cars. They're trying to figure out what to do with them, maybe. I'm not sure. This one here, 64. Grand Prix, it looks like. What is this? Pontiac Grand Prix Sport Coupe, 38.9. There you go. A little info on this girl here. So yeah, these are for sale. Yeah, well, that was a fun day. Alrighty, gang. Well, I'm gonna get out of here. Thanks for clicking that button. Thanks for watching this episode with me, guys. So please do like, subscribe if you haven't. Do give it that like. That helps share my video. Lets people know it's out there. I really appreciate you doing that. And I'm gonna travel on down the road, gang. Thanks for watching this episode with me. We'll check you later. Okay, bye.